Hey friends, Allie from Allie's Crafts here, and I just wanted to do a really quick video showing you how I put together the digital kit for the Illustrated Faith Word Nerd study. Now if you got the physical kit, you got a traveler's notebook sized book, very similar to how they've done it in the past. Fits in the traveler's notebook covers, like binded book with staples. Love it. And I love those books and I use them all the time. But for Word Nerd, I knew that I wanted to add a lot to it. And I knew it was going to get very thick. So I'm just doing a really quick flip through here. So in the study, it has these really cool pages that kind of walk you through kind of how to study each word, and so there's really cool spreads, and I loved it, and I knew that I wanted to print these out a lot and really make this book really thick with a bunch of different word studies. So I decided that I was going to use the Happy Planner punch system, so with the discs. This is also known as the ARC system, ARC, from Staples. So just a disc binding system that it's really easy for me to add stuff and take stuff out. So as you can see, I also have some of these are the faith notes. There's also Library of God notes, prayer requests that all coordinate, all of that. So, I mean, you can see already my book is really thick and I haven't really even started going through the study. So again, like I just punched the holes, and really put everything in this way. I also printed everything double-sided, so to give you an idea, so these are the pocket prayers and the Library of God cards, and I printed them double-sided in coordinating papers, just so that it adds a little bit of visual interest throughout the book. I also thought I would add some extra notes here, in between each, more faith notes, that kind of thing. I could also decorate, with like the word that I'm doing and some additional thoughts on that. And so I just wanted to have some flexibility when going through my book. So just give you an idea of how that looks. Now I did do a like a little bit more detailed thing on what supplies I used as far as printables and how that looked before I punched it all out, and that is on my Instagram. But I thought for now I would just do a really quick flip through and speed it up, put some music on, of how it looks before I even start going through any of it. So, let's go. Now, as you can see, that was like very easy to turn the pages. It's very easy to add and like take these things out. So like, look, just pull it out, put it back in. If this book gets even bigger than it currently is, which I have every intention of it doing so, I intend to print more of those spreads out, put even more prayer request cards in, all of that. Happy Planner does make expander discs, which are really cute. So these are absolutely huge. Just to give you an idea of, you can add even more to it. Again, there is the Happy Planner Punch, but I like to use the ARC system from Staples, just because I got that one on sale and I couldn't find the Happy Planner Punch anywhere when I bought it a couple years ago. But I'm super excited to dig into this. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with Word Nerd, and if you add any of my printables, I'll link everything down below as to what I used, and I'm just so excited to dig in and get started. Be sure to like this video if you want to see more like this, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see how I'm kind of digging into this and some of my spreads later. Oh, and don't forget to hop on over to Instagram to see how everything looked before I put it all together, and that'll be in my Instagram story highlights. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.